Hello, Clarice. Hello, welcome back to my channel. We are steadily getting closer and closer to Halloween, and I couldn't be happier. The decorations are up in the house. I have started putting together a wish list of movies that I want to watch on the day, and as it stands, we're going to be watching movies all day. And my poor husband, who doesn't like horror movies, is in for a treat. Speaking of horror movies and treats, which is probably a terrible choice of words considering what the movie's actually about, one of my personal favorite horror movies, with one of my favorite villains, has to be Silence of the Lambs and Hannibal Lecter. It is officially 1 week to Halloween, and what better way to kick off the final countdown than by doing a Hannibal Lecter inspired makeup. I'm going to be creating the mask that he wears when he gets captured, as well as dirtying up my face a little bit, making myself look a little bit more manly and wrinkly, and I definitely need to do something to these eyebrows, because I'm pretty sure Dr. Lecter does not tweeze. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be outlining all of the details of the mask with a brown eyeliner. Okay, I'm now going to create the wrinkles and creases on this part of my face just by taking a light brown eyeshadow, and I'm going to pull a whole lot of different faces just to create the wrinkles, and then I'm going to put the eyeshadow within those wrinkles and blend them out a smidge. I'm also going to put a bit of eyeshadow just over here and underneath my eyes just to push my eyes a little bit further back and give myself some bags. I'm now going to take that same brown eyeliner that I used to map out the mask, and I'm just going to flick it through my eyebrows a little bit. I don't want an Instagram eyebrow, I just want to make it look a little bit more bushy, a little bit more manly. I'm now going to take a little bit of concealer and I'm just going to highlight my under eye bags and the wrinkles. I'm now going to fill in the mask area with a foundation that's a few shades darker than my actual skin tone, and I'm not going to be too concerned with making it super even and smooth, because afterwards I'm going to go in with darker browns and lighter browns as well as white, just to speckle the mask a little bit to make it a little bit less even. I'm now just going to take various shades of brown and shade all around the mask. I'm sort of just going to stipple it on and make it look very messy and uneven, but I'm specifically going to take a darker brown under my nose and across my top lip and on the sides of my nose. I'm now going to take a stipple sponge and some white body paint, and I'm just going to stipple just a little bit around the mask. I'm now going to take a little bit of brown eyeshadow and a tiny brush, and I'm going to shade underneath the mask to make it look as though the mask is on top of the face and creating shadow onto the face. I'm now going to take a light brown body paint and I'm going to highlight all of the mask. Okay, I'm now going to take a medium brown eyeshadow and I'm going to fill in all of the holes and also the nose holes, and then I'm going to go around the inside and blend in a little bit of black. I want it to look like holes that peek through to my skin, so I don't want to just fill in the whole circle with black. That's why I'm going to do the brown first and then shade the black around the inside. I'm now going to take my light brown highlight shade and a teeny tiny brush and just highlight around each circle. Okay, I wiped the middle lines away just so that I can create the shading around the mouth and on my bottom lip. And then I'm going to take grey body paint and create those 3 lines again. I'm now going to shade on one side of each of the grey lines with a little bit of black eyeshadow. And then I'm also going to shade a little bit on the top and bottom of each line, just a little bit. And then I'm going to take white body paint and create some highlights on those bars. Hello, Clarice. And there you have it. This is my Hannibal Lecter style mask. Very vogue, very high fashion. Kinda wanna create a material version of this mask to wear out, not gonna lie. Just casually grocery shopping with a Hannibal Lecter mask. If you enjoyed this tutorial and would like to see more like this, please hit that subscribe button down below. And I'll see you next time.